Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to set privacy that your Facebook story will automatically share to your Instagram story, because sometime we want to share stories on Facebook application and we want that these story will automatically share to Instagram. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Facebook application. So after opening the Facebook application, you can see three lines on the top right corner. So after this, click on setting and privacy. So when you will click on setting and privacy, here you can see setting options. So click on setting options, then scroll down. So when you will scroll down, here you can see audience and visibility options. So here audience and visibility, you can see story options. So when you will click on it, here you can see story privacy. So click on it. So in story privacy, you can see always share to Instagram. So you can see automatically share your Facebook story to Instagram. So when you will turn it on, so you can see it's your Instagram ID. So guys, in this way, that post you will share your stories on Facebook application, that story will automatically share to your Instagram. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give